What's the verdict? Tell me about your bike.
It was dope. It goes fast. I don't know, it's my first time riding an e-bike, but it's pretty dope. I liked it. I thought it was pretty cool.
So you rode, I think, an Urtopia carbon fiber.
Yeah, I did, yeah. Lightweight, it feels good. I mean, it's all black, and I like all black. So.
It's carbon fiber. It's 3 feet off the ground right now because it's so light. I rode the bike. It's delightful. Pedal assist. 3 modes. Apparently has a great app. We got gears. It's a 1x, so it's simpler drivetrain. And there's no down tube, so you're super cool. It comes with fenders. Fenders are great. Keeps all the street juice off of you. Cleaner look up here. Pedal assist, so no throttle, so it's simpler.
What's it made out of?
E-bikes, carbon fiber. So they take carbon, the element, spin it around, nice and lightweight, but super strong.
I believe a BMW designer designed this.
I believe you.
Tell me about your experience riding this bike.
It was great. It's light. I like that, and it's got power, and it looks good. Other than the crossbar, if it didn't come with a crossbar because I'm old, I'd be happy.
You want to step through.
Right.
They just came out with one. I believe a BMW designer designed that. Like the aesthetics are.
That's why I like it, because I love BMW. Damn.
I would get it. For my next bike, I would get